Hi everyone, I'm Donna Sam, and this is See Sam Go. Welcome to my dining table refresh. So I've had this IKEA table. It's a three-piece set. You've seen it before from IKEA for about 10 years, and I never really sat at the table. For one reason, it was very uncomfortable, especially the seating, very hard. And even when I put cush there, it just wasn't comfortable. It was kind of boring. I'd always sit in the living room and eat. But I would always decorate the table for different holidays or just put flowers there. But again, I never really used it. So I knew I needed to do something to it to really make it useful. I took it outside and I spray painted it with this Rust-Oleum hammered paint. And at first I was worried because I thought the colors were very similar. I was like, oh no. But when I put the chair against the table and the chairs against each other before and after, you could see there was a difference, and I was happy about that. So I did the chairs, I did the table, brought it back in, and I was happy with that result. But then the chairs, I knew I wanted to do something with those. That hard straw. So I went to Joann's and I bought some foam and put that on top of the straw seating and then put some fabric on there. And it actually turned out really nice. I love it. It's actually very comfortable. And so my table went from this. I ended up buying some faux marble contact paper from Amazon and covered the glass. And it's like a whole new table. I really love it. Oh yeah, I ended up making it a whole banquet set. So I love it. I eat there every night. So come back and I'll show you how I made the banquet set. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Donna Sam, and this is See Sam Go. See you soon.